G'day everyone, welcome back. Doing something a little bit different today. Going to be doing a bit of wallaby shooting with the dogs. There's not much cover here, so I doubt we'll shoot many, but we'll have a crack anyway and see how we go. Using a double barrel 12 gauge shotgun today. Shooting with Super Gero 3s. I've got the 2 and 4 chokes in. I was expecting it to be a bit more close quarters than this, but there could be a bit of far shooting. That's if we see any, because there's not much cover in here at all. Not as much as we thought there would be. There's one down there coming up slowly. There's one just down here. I'll see if I can get close enough to get a shot before he spooks. He's just sitting there. There's another one come up there. There's one coming to you from me! 2! Number 1. I don't know what the camera angle's like, but hopefully you've seen that. I'm happy already, to be honest. Shot one more than I thought I would. Didn't think there'd be any in there. These ones come up from the creek down below. Come here, you. Get this fucking lead off you before you hang yourself. Good boy, Rusty. Good boy. Good boy. Where the fuck is it? Where is it? Where did that go? Oh, there. Good boy. Number 2. Surprised I've got 2 for 2, to be honest. It's the first time I've shot a shotgun since duck season a couple of months ago, but Pretty happy so far. I don't know where he went. He's here somewhere. Bastard's sitting right on the fucking skyline. Where'd he go? Lost across the road. Oh, that's my exercise for the morning. Where is it? There's that form I was telling you about. Jesus. He was an absolute sitter. I rushed him. Wasn't down on the gun. Well, that just ruined my average. Was 100%, now it's 50. Well, that's going to conclude the video today. Just a short, sharp shoot this morning. Wasn't as much cover in here as we expected, but that's alright. Still ended up with a few. We'll clean up and we'll head on out of here. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.